AMG models are pampered while others are better hardened. The picture shown above is an official Mercedes-Benz 4x4 G-Class. Its loft price may deter some, but its rugged appearance is unmistakable even through the screen. Therefore, today we're gonna convert a G63 into a Mercedes-Benz 4x4 G-Class. The modification includes a complete set of 4x4 body kit, which includes a widened body to accommodate its primitive tires, carbon fiber roof lights, and a distinctive rear tire rack, ladder, 80 wheels, and tires. While the exterior enhancements are very noticeable, the centerpiece of a 4x4 upgrade lies on the complete portal exhaust system. Join me in the few days, guys, as we witness the performance or the upgrade of these beasts.
As you fade away,
yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
This 4x4 was actually derived from a G63 version. So let's come and see, guys, what the inside looks like. This engine is actually equipped with a handcrafted AMG engine, a V8 twin turbo 4-liter with a maximum horsepower of 585 and a maximum torque of 850. It comes with a 9-speed automatic transmission and is mainly focused on the rear wheel drive with full-time 4-wheel drive. So guys, as you can see, as tall as I am, but standing to this car, I definitely look like a small baby. Why can this 4x4 achieve such a high height? Let me explain it to you guys. The ordinary G-Wagon make use of the conventional chassis configurations with the axle positioned underneath the vehicle body, but this 4x4 it utilizes the portal axle. The normal off-road vehicles, they make use of larger wheels to create ground clearance because these larger wheels, they elevate the vehicle's body. But then what happens if the wheels reaches the radius limit? How are you gonna achieve that ground clearance? So to do that, you have to make use of the portal axle. Power is transmitted from the axles to ensure exceptional off-road capability and the driver's comfort. So the portal axles usually consist of two components, which is the wheel steering knuckle and the wheel drive assembly, which is actually coming from the drive shaft. So guys, this design, as you can see, it makes it very easy for the off-road capability and performance. The lifted G-Class with its new axles and completely modified suspension has actually increased the ground clearance significantly. So as you can see, guys, the front bumper and the ground, the distance is actually 351 millimeters compared to the G63's 238 millimeters. Therefore, when you're venturing into the wilderness with this 4x4 variant, there is no need to worry about water crossings, as the folding depth has increased to 91 centimeters compared to the G63's 70 centimeters. Additionally, the approach angle has been enhanced from the standard G63's 27 degrees to 40 degrees. The vehicle has actually been widened, and as you can see on the roof, we also have carbon fiber spoiler on the roof, which is equipped with LED lights, and inside they have yellow lights that actually shows the height, or that indicates the height of the car. This whole vehicle is equipped with night package featuring a full black Panamericana grille and the Mercedes-Benz in full black, the matte black bumper, and all the vents are open to improve the vehicle's cooling. In summary, or in short, I can say all the components of this vehicle, they actually are luxurious and very expensive. The AMG featured a 20-inch wheel tire, but it features this 22-inch tire, which makes it 10 centimeters more wider than the original tire. And then if you check on these carbon fiber wheel arcs, they are extremely exaggerated. And at the back, we also have this dry carbon fiber on this spare wheel tire cover. On top, you can see we have a luggage rack, and you can see the small ladder, which was professionally installed here. Its maximum load is 100 kgs. If you take a look at this, you can see a sunken exposed bumper that is actually usually seen on trucks. It's really amazing that I can see a trunk bump beam put on a car. So guys, this is how the back of this car is gonna look like. We have also upgraded the electric pedal, so let me show you how it works. When you open here, it actually comes out. This makes it very easy for you when you are getting on and off the car. The upgrade of this G63 to a 4x4 is not just any mere enhancement, but it is an upgrade in driving experience, because this car, it can take you to roads like red roads, muddy roads, normal roads. It can take you anywhere, and you can drive with so much ease because it also ensures your safety. So guys, elevate your drive, define your style.